Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhakti Abe Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. New vaccination drive starts. COL committee meets today. CID summons MP Patali Champaka. 1,300 containers of essential commodities stuck in the Colombo port. Health officials urge government not to lift lockdown completely. Basil briefs party leaders about benefits of deal with New Fortress Energy. Now diving into those stories in detail. The vaccination of children with congenital diseases who are between the ages of 12 and 19 years commenced today in Colombo, Kurunegala and Anuradhapura districts. The children were administered with the Pfizer vaccine this morning. Cooperative Services, Marketing Development and Consumer Protection State Minister Lasantha Alagiyawanna stated that the Cost of Living Committee will meet today to discuss the requests made by milk powder importers regarding the increase in the price of milk powder. He said attention would be paid to the issues created by domestic gas, cement and wheat flour. Meanwhile, the fine imposed on traders who sell essential goods above the maximum retail price will come into force from Monday. Former Minister and Colombo District Samagi Jana Balawegaya MP Patali Champaka Ranawaka has been summoned by the Criminal Investigations Department. He was asked to appear before the CID this morning to record a statement over an ongoing investigation. It was reported that the MP summoned by the CID was for misappropriation of funds during his tenure as the Minister of Mega Police and Western Province Development. The importer stated that about 1,300 containers of essential commodities imported to the country have been stuck in the Colombo port for 3 months. A spokesman for the Essential Commodities Importers Association said the situation has occurred as the banks were not releasing required dollars. The importers said the containers of essential commodities such as dal, sugar, garlic, scraps, canned fish and milk powder were among those containers stuck in the port. Health officials have urged the government not to open the country to the full extent when taking the decision to lift the prevalent quarantine curfew. Deputy Director General of Health Services Dr. Hemantha Herath told a media briefing yesterday that it was not recommended that the country should be fully opened at once. Finance Minister Basil Rajapaksa is reported to have briefed the potential benefit of tying up with New Fortress Energy of the United States to develop the LNG energy sector in Sri Lanka. The meeting took place under the chair of Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa yesterday at Temple Trees. The reduction in unit cost of electricity generation and environmental sustainability was cited as potential benefits. For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhakti Abe Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.